Came of Limolu. Jedna pjesma na engleskom. No ista. City on month of March 1960. He was cold, he snowed in month of April. It prolonged. We were settled in 25th Street, 105 years, all in all, when someone asked, "Come you from?" I answered, I came from Limolu. When I saw it, the high city, my life became pretty, almost, because I thought I perished during the war. Fatherland in the Bosnia Traveling. Hey! Sad bi Ruto ovo solirao naš, Ruto, bogat u face gitare, dalje nastavljam. And that I am right, and afterlife, sick and dead, oh hard, I don't. Of a radio made bomb. Dialogue to public. Do you make some bomb? Why? But no, it's not possible. And you? It's easy. Doesn't in sexy bomb? Oh, does she fall? Also, but no, you are not serious. Really? Settled in 25th Street, the old friends. When somebody, for example, some agency, GVB, etc., you say, ask me, come you come from you? Come you from? I answer to him. I came from Limolu. Yes. Wonderful. Dakle, to je bila engleska verzija sa plavom gitarom. Moje slike. Evo, ovo je Mona Lisa, nije moja. Mona Lisa je tuđa. La